This is Liberty stock number 50647. It's a Palmary model Firmus FCL-18-5 Centerless grinding machine. It's equipped with a FANUC Series OI TD control. It is a 5-axis machine. 5-axis grinding wheel auto dress, grinding wheel auto dress horizontal, regulating wheel auto dress vertical, regulating wheel auto dress horizontal, and then regulating wheel lower slide auto infeed. It's also equipped with a Kinnick model KGB 2010 balancing instrument.
That's exactly right. Move in on it. Let's see what we got here. I've got the control up already. Hydraulics are on. We can take a walk around and we'll make a few things happen. Rear dresser servos, like you mentioned. Y and Z, as the case may be. Drive motor down low, main wheel motor. Electric panels over here. We're temped in at 220 volts right now with documentation down low. FANUC servo drives up here. Mitsubishi wheelhead drive right there, work wheel. And oh, we got a couple tools up here. We got the oil going on up here. And that really is just for the two spindles, which is the regulating wheel bearings. And the main wheel bearings, that's all this is doing here. There's no hydraulics on this machine. Get a good look at the back end, good look at the lubrication, the way these things work. There's one up here, there's one right there, you can kind of see it. Yeah, the in-feed and out-feed conveyors, we've got one on, going out the door, the other one we took off, just so we could walk around and do things, and that's pretty much it. The main filter system is behind you, filtration and pump. This is X-axis with the servo motor, or it's called lower slide, of course. And right wheel dressers. I guess we can move a few axes around, get into manual here. They're kind of homed. I could bring them up forward. There's our TD control. Pretty standard FANUC. Got position. Got a little short program in there to run the X-axis in, a little in-feed program. And it's all pretty standard after that. System software is all in here. No messages, no alarms. And then some custom stuff in here that I haven't done anything with. That's if you want to get into the subset programs and the macros. You could change all your numbers in here. We're going to get back to position. We're in jog right now, hand, and I'll just dial the speed up a little bit, and I forget what the letters are. We can move a couple of things around here. This guy is, you can move A minus and B minus. I like to just make sure I'm moving the right stuff. So in manual, B minus would be right here. Kind of see that moving along. And let's go with A minus. Come down a little bit. I don't want to go too far, but just to see it move. You can see that. And I'll rehome it. Let me go A and B plus. Yeah, there's B home. Moves nice. And then we've got Z minus and Y minus over to your left here. We can do that one in manual. That would be Y Gonna bring that across a little bit. They work nice. Fully programmable dressers here. And just to bring Z in a little bit, call for that. Try to see the block moving in here. Z plus a little bit, back it up. And I'll rehome those right away. Z plus, we'll take that back. And then Y, take that back. That works nice. I'm going to bring the wheels up right now. And after that, we'll just run a short little program with X and we'll call it a day here. So here's wheel head on right now. I'll just do reg first. Reg is slow and easy. See it ramping up right here. Got it set at 50. You kind of see the speed. And as far as that goes. And here's the control for reg. I can dial it up or down as I feel. And take it up a little bit. There's 80. It's kind of fast for the grinding operation, but just to see how it works. And I'll leave that on and just bring the wheel head up now. That's got a good 35, 40 second XL time, ramp up time. I don't know where we left the pot at. Let's see where we go to. There's 500, still climbing. You can kind of see the clock over here if you pan over. I think we left it around 12, 1300. It takes a while to get up there, so you got time to kind of watch it. Comes up nice and easy. Should be getting close. There it is, close to 1200. And again, I've got the pop control. I can dial it up faster or slower. It sounds really nice. I'll go a little bit quicker with it. I'm on 1158 right now. There's 12, 13, give or take. 1350. You can't hardly tell the difference, but it's a little bit faster. Test the reg and the wheel head turning. I'm going to shut off the reg. I think the wheel head will keep turning. Let's see. I'm going to turn this off here. That's shutting down. It stayed on. I wasn't sure if they were interlocked. That's the wheel head by itself. And I'm going to shut that off. Take about 30 seconds for it to coast down. Did I get it? Yep. There's a little time delay in there, I think, and then it starts shutting down. There it is. Now it's coming down. Okay, they got the drive set up really nice on this one. Getting close. As soon as that stops, we'll get over to automatic and then run that little in-feed cycle I've got on here and see how that looks. While we're waiting, let's get over to memory. Yeah, something like that. There we go. Memory. There we go. That said, let me dial it down slow just to make sure. I haven't run it today, hardly. Come in nice and easy. I'm just going to call for a little in-feed program I've got here, which is just come in rapid. There's 3 different dwells on there on the G4s, and then come in on a slower feed, then reverse out, and then just repeat again. Is all it really is. So, just something real basic to watch the slide move. I'm going to hit cycle start now. Let's see if we get it. We should. Got a green light on the tower, and you won't see it move in. Let me dial it up now. Let me make sure we're in good shape here. Looks like it. There's our course. Slight hesitation. Now we're in fine. And finish. 2-second delay, and then reverse. Let's see how that goes. Moving in. And that's good. I can dial it up a little bit quicker now. Now that we know we're not going to hit anything. And you can kind of zoom in on that, see right over the wheel a little bit. You can kind of see the feed if you get nice and close here. Rapid, dwell, feed. It's a fast feed for a part, but it's not bad. Kind of see what happens here. So And of course, while you got that going, you got the manual movement on the upper slide right here if you want to kind of pan this way a little bit. Manual force, manual fine on these two dials. I've got it all unlocked so we kind of go wherever with it. Okay, so let it come back one more time. I'll stop it. Right there. Red light it. De-stop it, kill the oil, but the oil won't shut off, I don't think. It's got a timer in there. Right, I just e-stopped it. The oil will go for about a minute. Give the wheels time to wind down. This is how they generally work if it was plain bearings, and then the oil will shut off. Looking good here, that's about it.